Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a social media post using ChatGPT and Canva. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to create a ChatGPT account. You can do this by for free, of course. You're just going to need your email and phone number. After you're going to create ChatGPT, you're going to go to Canva. And whether you need your social media post for your Instagram, for example, for your business, and you need to post daily, ChatGPT gonna help you a lot. Because of course, when you have a business, you need to share daily posts, and you may not have a lot of time. So I'm going to show you how ChatGPT and Canva are going to help you do it quickly without much effort, and then you can post daily on your Instagram and have a really good Instagram account. So the first thing, of course, you're gonna go on canva.com. If you don't have an account, of course, create one. It's free if you don't need a lot of tools. They also have a pro version, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use a free one. So here on Canva, I wrote Instagram quote because I think we're gonna go and create like hair salon tips of the day or something like that. For example, you have a hair salon business. So you're gonna go here, and I'm just gonna find some type of template to use. Maybe let's use this one. It's a free one, so I'm gonna customize this template, and it's a really nice one. Of course, choose the one that fits your business. But the first thing we're gonna do is to get ready for ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna make it, well, maybe let's leave it like that. But you always want, if you're sharing tips of the day or quotes of the day, you want to always write down your Instagram right here. For example, you have a hair salon. So I'm just gonna make it smaller and put it somewhere here, or maybe here. And also I want to write down hair tip of the day. Let's change alignment, and then basically this post is ready to be posted on your is ready for ChatGPT. So you're gonna go to ChatGPT then, and you're gonna ask ChatGPT for, right here on send a message at the bottom, you're gonna ask for, like, I don't know how much you need, 10 or 20. So like 20, or maybe it's a 10 hair tips for every day. And you're gonna click on enter, and ChatGPT is gonna start generating the answers, 10 tips. So I already did that. So here are the 10 tips that ChatGPT created. It said, of course, here are 10 hair tips for your everyday routine. So here are 10 tips which you can now copy and paste. Go to your Instagram, ready to post, and you're gonna just make it smaller. And here is the hair tip of the day. Now you're gonna just duplicate the page, go to ChatGPT again, copy the second tip, put it here, center it, and that's it basically. You're just gonna do this routine with all of these tips. And that's how you can post actually daily with tips of the day. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you create social media posts using ChatGPT. You can use this, of course, not only for Instagram. You can use this for any type of social media you need, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. And using ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT anything you want and it will generate the answers. After that, you just copy and paste and post it to your Instagram. You can do this daily and your business should thrive. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you create social media posts. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.